Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, just like you can see in the title of this video, I'm going to be telling you guys if the GMG platform is real, legit or scam. Yeah, I actually made two videos on it, but in that videos I didn't talk about the platform. I didn't tell you the name of the platform. I actually just told you to go register in a link, but I told you that in order for you to register on the link, you have to message me on WhatsApp first for me to tell you if the platform is legit and if it is still ongoing and paying. Alright guys, so that's what I'm going to be doing in the video. This video today, I'm going to let you know if it is scam or not. So if you want to get more information about that platform, just watch this video to the end, and please make sure you don't skip this video because it's for your own good. Alright guys, so the GMG platform, which is a graphene manufacturing group in full, was recently launched, and I made videos on it, told you guys that it was actually paying. Yeah, which it was paying. So this platform is an investment platform. Yeah, I actually invested 4,000 naira on it, and I was able to get more than the 4,000 naira which I invested because I got to know about the platform fast, like few days to when it was in launch, so that was how I was able to like get my capital back and get more than my capital and profit and all that. So without beating about the bush, guys, the graphene manufacturer group, as they call themselves, is actually a fraudulent site. Yes guys, they are not the real GMG people. The main GMG, the owners of that name, like, they came to their platform. If you Google them, if you research on them now online, you see that they've put a disclaimer that they are not the one into that investment platform. So for you guys to know that it's totally scam, like they are fraudulent, because as at now GMG has run away with people's money, just like MMN. If you're in Nigeria, you should be very familiar with MMN. Yeah, so initially when we got to know about this platform or this site, they were actually paying, which I'm among those who were able to like earn some amount from the platform. But their tactics is to like lure people to their app, so people will believe that they're really paying. Do you get me? So but now, as at Saturday, a lot of people and I withdrew some certain amount of money from GMG, which they are meant to like credit the next day, but they did not do that till today. Imagine we withdrew on Saturday, and this is Tuesday, I think the 9th of May 2023, and we've not gotten any alert from GMG, and they still claim that they are paying on the Telegram group. Their Telegram group is actually going to be in the app, so if you can go and check it out. I didn't tell you to invest, but you can check it out. They will still tell us that they are paying us, but they are not. Like, they totally stopped paying us since on Saturday. Nobody received any money again, so they now went to create a new app, which is Enercon, ENERCON, according to some things I heard from people. But what I just want to say, and the reason for this video, is that I know I told people that this investment platform was paying and legit, but guys, please do not put your money in this platform again, because some of you might not message me on WhatsApp, some of you might go straight and start investments immediately. So if you're watching this video, please delete the app. Even if you've downloaded and you have not invested, GMG is no longer paying. GMG has to, like, if I'm going to even show you briefly what the site is doing to most of us right now, so for us to like see the basic proof that they have totally crashed. So GMG is no longer paying anybody, and if you have anybody you've told about it, or anybody that has invested in it already, just let them know that they are gone, like they're gone for good. They've created other ones. Like now, if you check very well online, investment platform are now coming out the more because of the record the GMG platform broke. Imagine, remember, it's a fake platform. So guys, just be guided. I just like to make this video to warn anyone who is thinking of investing on GMG or is thinking on investing on any other investment platform just to get one profit or the other. The main tactics, the main idea about this investment platform is to rob Peter to pay Paul, if you understand what I mean. So guys, please do not go and risk your money on any investment platform just because of you want to make money. I think you can check other videos I've made on other apps that pay you by doing sincere things, like doing legal things that will pay you free money, and you can withdraw them and they are going nowhere. But as for now guys, GMG platform has crashed totally. So let's see what the platform actually looks like now, and I will show you the disclaimer the main GMG company sent across to everyone concerning this fake GMG fraudulent app or site. So that's just basically the end of the that's going to be the end of the video. Just take a look at it there. All right, guys, so this, I'm not going to take your time at all. So this is the GMG app on my phone right now. So both the site and the app is actually doing this now. Like 100% of like almost 90% of those using this app is experiencing this. All right, I already have my details saved, so I'm just going to like log in on it. All right, so I'm going to tap on login, see what is telling me. The connection has timed that, please try again, which is never what has been happening on this app for a long while, for a while now. This hasn't been happening. No, it has never told us connection is having whatever whatever, you know, because of the fact that it was actually working before. So I believe they've disabled the app. Even some people are seeing worse than this. Some people are saying you've been blocked from the site. So I'm tapping somewhere else now. Okay, it's showing me my order, it's showing me the amount I've received and everything. So when I tap on team, I will just keep going around. See, it took me back to the menu. When I'm tapping on team to see like the record of people I invited, then look at it, logged me out of the app. So guys, this is just like proof that GMG has crashed. They've disabled their app and pretending to be paying people. Just take a look at their Telegram group here. This is their Telegram group. I'm going to take you to their Telegram group, which the admin logged, and the admin has never ever spoken to anybody on DM. There's no even customer service safe. There is no customer service. So look at GMG chat here. So I'm going to tap on this. This is today sent this. I don't even know if it's a he or a she. Sent this 8:45 a.m. All withdrawal orders are being processed one by one because the platform has accumulated a large amount of orders. Processing takes time and delays are normal. This is what he has been, or he or she has been sending since on Saturday when we withdrew. Nobody has received any money, and they love the group, and there's not even option for us to like dislike this message he or she has sent to the group. If you tap on it, you can see that you can only like and what they call it, and put like positive things. You cannot even dislike, at least for people to know that this platform is fake. People will just be seeing it and they will go and invest their money not knowing that this platform has crashed. Look at, they have about 155,800 members. This morning it was just for 140 something thousand. More people are still joining. Please, if you are looking at this, if you are watching this video now, just stay away from this investment platform or any other investment platform you know about, guys, because they are totally fake. Totally fake. They will pay you for the time being. They are being launched like few days after they are being launched, but just know that they will crash unawares. Hi guys, so I just basically googled GMG here for me to take you to like the main GMG people, see graphene manufacturing group. So immediately I tap on this, it's going to take me here. All right, and a disclaimer will pop up immediately. I think talking about this fraudulent app that just recently got launched, that is into investment and all that, for us to know that they are not the one that are interested, they are not the one into it. Okay, look at what I'm talking about. See, it is up here. Please be aware of investor fraud. Unauthorized third parties are purporting to operate in the name of, with reference to graphing mark. That is just it, guys. Because GMG investment is fake. And if you are watching this video now, I know this video has been a help of help to you guys. Alright, please do not hesitate to smash the like button, drop a wonderful comment for me, share these videos to your friends, let them see this so that they can be aware about this fraudulent app, and do not forget to subscribe, guys. So if I have any other platform that is legit, at least not even an investment platform, but something you have to like work to see your money for, and it is going to be totally free, doesn't know, it's not going to have your, it doesn't going to need you putting any amount of money, just subscribe so whenever I post such apps you'll be the first to get notified. All right guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video.